Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy updo. Today I'm going to show you how to do an easy updo. So we're going to start with our dry shampoo. Again, I would recommend doing your updos on second day hair. I'm just going to tap that into the root. Good squish. Now we're going to pull out these front sections. About in front of your ear. Clip those. To take this back stuff, pull it back, roll it up over your fingers, we're going to secure that with our nice big bobby pins, so going straight through the roll on either side. Another pin in there if you need it to keep everything nice and secure. And take these front pieces and give them a twist back. Just lay them over top of that roll. And you can tuck them through. Bit of a pull out the other side. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Twisting back, lay it over top of that roll, and then tuck it through. Then you can either leave those pieces out for something a little bit interesting, or just continue to twist them and give them a pin up above. Subscribe to see more tutorials and check out the products in the description box below.